Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So it is currently 10 p.m. Happy 420. You know, I ain't about that life. Today, I decided to make a mukbang that I was planning on making in like 2 weeks, but the time was right. I had the stuff for it, and here we are in Ireland, baby. You know, I've always wanted to go to Ireland. Okay, anyways. So I made for you today bangers and mash. Now I know that's a British, well, I don't know. It's Irish and it's also British. I'm not sure. I made it with this that I've never seen before in my store until recently. It's by the brand No Evil Foods. And it says Italian sausage, but I used it for this. I made homemade mashed potatoes with the skin on it because I was like a little too lazy to peel the potatoes, not gonna lie. Sauteed up some onions, or I should say fried, because I put it in oil when I cooked the sausage. And then some gravy, and yeah. So, bangers and mash. I have my little Irish themed looking scarf as a headband. I have my, damn, you can't even see. I have this necklace. It's a 4-leaf clover that I got when I was in California in 2007. And then of course, what are we gonna have to drink? It's Ireland, baby. Yeah. We're doing a little whiskey shots today. Just a little bit. So I'm gonna start with that. Not gonna be able to do the whole thing. I thought they were smaller than this, but I guess not. And then I have some ginger ale right here. Holy shikeys. I decided to do something that I've done before and I like it. I think today we're gonna do picklebacks. I'm a fan of it. I know it's a hit or miss. Some people love it, some people hate it. I mean, if you don't like pickle juice, definitely not gonna like this, but I love pickle juice on its own. All right. Cheers. It's like after you take the pickle juice, drink the pickle juice, it's like you didn't even take this. Whew. Okay, now that that's out of the way, we're gonna start. Hopefully you guys can see. Oh, sorry. I don't mean to be in the camera's way. Oh, got a little everything on this one. The sausage is way better than I was expecting it to be. I think I did a pretty good job. Let me make sure. I feel like there's just so much going on in the camera. Oh. Yummy. Speaking of sausage, the people who created Beyond Burger, like the burger that bleeds and everything and tastes just like a regular burger, they have come out with Beyond Sausage. Italian sausage, hot sausage. No, it was like sweet, hot, and bratwurst. I really want to try it. I hear they're in Whole Foods, but I have to call my Whole Foods just to make sure. That would be so freaking epic. I'm a fan. Oh yeah. I love fried onions. Wow, this sausage is so good. It tastes like an Italian sausage because it's supposed to, but compared to other vegan sausages I've had, those are nothing when it comes to this. Does that even make sense? This shit is bomb. Mmm. Mm. Have you guys had bangers and mash before? Do you even know what it is? This is pretty much what it is. Sausage, mashed potatoes. Sometimes they do like onion gravy, but this is just like a regular vegan gravy and some caramelized onions. Tell me how. You know how I have insomnia bad. I don't even want to call it insomnia. I just stay up really late and then I wake up really late. And I haven't been taking my CBD oil regularly, which is fine because it's not like it's a vitamin or anything that I have to take it every day, just when I need it. And I should start taking it for my insomnia, but I didn't go to sleep until like 4, almost 5, and y'all, I woke up at like 4:30 p.m. Like, what was wrong with me? So, it's almost 10:30 now. Hopefully I'm gonna sleep before 2, but I doubt it. I just want to give you guys a close-up of what it looks like, the sausage. Have like the pepper specks and seasonings and flakes. It was good. I use that coconut oil butter flavored as the butter. I put a lot in there. It tastes so good. Just so you guys can see. Hiccups now. Okay, it's time for the other one. And it's like the sausage isn't too soft, but it's also not so firm. Like you can cut it with your fork. And I like that a lot. I want to do an ASMR video soon. Now the people who watch my videos, do you guys like ASMR? Because I don't want to do it if y'all don't like it, but I do see I find myself watching these ASMR videos and they're just like so soothing. Like, I don't know. I want to do it with like different like crunchy foods. What do you guys think about that? Let me know. Because I really want to do one with like, you know, chips and crunchy veggies. Stuff like that. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, mm, mm. Mm. I really didn't think I'd like these sausages. Like, I smelt them and I'm like, oh, kind of has like, I don't know, that like non-edible regular vegan sausage smell and texture. And then they are such a bitch to get out of the casing. Like, it was so annoying. The first one broke. It was just irritating, but definitely surprised me because they are so good. I also saw that they have pulled pork. I'm sorry about the notifications. It's the trivia games that I told you guys I be playing all the time. But also, I want to go live here on YouTube soon. Ooh, sorry. Okay, you can stop shaking. But I don't know, I've been hesitant. Should I do a live stream soon? I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm gonna have to delete those apps because that's just ridiculous. Mind you, I had 2 ham and cheese, pickles and lettuce and all that sandwiches earlier, maybe like 3 hours ago. So I was not expecting to be able to eat at all because I was very full when I was like cooking. But you know, sometimes even though you're not hungry, you're gonna eat anyways. At least me. Guilty. All right, I'm gonna take this bite and then we're gonna take a shot. Really hope my camera does not overheat again. It's been doing that lately. I'm a little nervous. I hate taking shots like when I'm eating because it makes me wanna, you know. Okay. I'm scared. I'm scared. Okay, go. I definitely prefer chasing it with pickle juice. Oh, it's just so much better. There's probably like 3 to 4 shots worth in these little nippler bottles. And this was only 2 buckaroonies. Unless you want to do like double shots, which those days are kind of long gone. I don't be doing that anymore. So we have one more. Can you see that? Like, I don't even, there you go. One more. And then this one, I'm gonna save for a rainy day. my cat is just silently judging me over there in the corner. Aren't you, Abby? Let's go. Wow, that was a weird freaking trio. What? Holy shit. All right. I did it. I did it. So, I say in about 15 minutes or so, I'm gonna start to really feel it. But that's good because usually 99% of the time when I'm like tipsy or drunk, I get tired and I want to go to sleep. Unless I'm like out partying, which even then I still want to go home and go to sleep. By the way, whiskey is my favorite liquor, but Crown Apple is my favorite whiskey. I'll drink Jameson and like Jameson ginger ale mixed drinks. Fucking A. So my camera shut off on me again. I am convinced that it's because the ring light is way too bright and hot, and this is way too close. Wow. So yeah, I'm gonna keep this short and sweet. I got I ate at least half, like at least, but I am getting way too full, way too tipsy, which isn't a bad thing because it's Friday. But my lipstick's way too messed up. This little girl is getting on my nerves. Look at her. Abby, you're famous on YouTube. Say hi. You say hi, Cookie. That's my baby girl. I think I'm gonna take one more bite and call it a day because I'm full. Let's see. Gotta get some onion on there. You gotta. All right, one more big one. Like I said, I was not planning on filming today, so I wouldn't have eaten as much as I did earlier. That was good. I'm gonna give the rest to B. Because I can't eat anymore. I just can't. There we go. Oh, by the way, on the scratch offs, only won like 20 bucks, but hey, something's better than nothing. It wasn't my time. I know I'm gonna win, like I could feel it, it's coming, but it just wasn't yesterday. Was it yesterday? Yeah. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was very good. I definitely am a fan of bangers and mash. If you guys try this, let me know down below what you think of it. And yeah, I definitely have an idea for my next video. Now that I got Ireland checked off, like hello. It's gonna be epic. It's gonna be somewhere US based. So yeah, now I'm just gonna maybe start editing. It's getting a little late, but start editing or watch some Hulu and relax until this Jameson starts to take over my I'm just kidding. I love Jameson and I haven't drank in quite a minute. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm babbling. Let me get out of here. And until next time, I will see you then. I hope you have a great day or night wherever you are in this lovely world. And I'll see you very soon, okay? Okay. Bye.